Back of orange
Hello and
ticket
welcome
bar.
everybody to
Shut
the
up.
next race of the season here in the truck series. Today, it's actually the first race of the round of 8.
I am the commentator for the
Yeah,
race.
and only playoff drivers can race, and the only playoff driver missing this race is Gio. Shut up!
No, Gio's here. What do you
Or no,
mean?
not Gio,
Gio is here.
Sammy.
Smash and dingle.
Let's go.
Stop
Alright,
turning on S-Lock.
Wait, Mar, am I good in points?
Why?
Mar, am I good in points?
Guys.
Mar, am I good in
Alright,
pits?
I don't
Am I good in
know.
points?
Playoff doesn't
I'm
matter.
in
Playoff
second.
points don't matter.
Yes, it does.
No, it
really does.
resets. The points reset, so everyone's at
No.
0.
We can't use our playoff points for the round of 8
Yeah,
anyways.
because some drivers are, because it was a little,
Because
bad.
Mar doesn't know how to make a point system.
Yeah, alright, anyways, here we go. And green flag.
I moved, dude.
Well, my
Go for
recording
Gio.
noise from the picture.
What's up, guys? Quandale Dingle here.
Green flag in the air, and we're racing here at Michigan.
Whoa. Are we actually spread out? Whoa.
What?
We're spread out.
Oh, there's so many Toyotas.
Oh yeah, stages.
It's only me and Tubot right now.
Hold on, I'm gonna do. Oh, and we're already wrecking.
Dude, there's so many Toyotas.
Toyota's dominating D3, man.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me
There's
make the
no
race
doubt about it.
65 laps.
Toyotas will win.
25.
Toyota for the dub.
Yeah. Make 50
There's
laps.
no Chevys in the round of 8, by the way.
Yeah, Chevy's bad.
Chevys have been sucking ass in D3.
Because probably no one is a Chevy. Anyways, down the back straightaway. Tubot on the inside. He got a tap from Orange. Sent him down the racetrack. PC will take the lead. Reminder: if you win this race, you are locked into the championship 4.
All right,
What?
guys, I know what I'm
All
gonna
right,
do today.
guys.
So big stakes on the line here.
Cool, Papa Bear.
Into turn 1, Sky and Orange make contact. Tubop tries to get to the inside. Protective is
Let me
there.
on the inside, protective.
Tubop now on the inside. Get
Yeah, you corner cut.
Tubop to the lead, and Tubop gets turned backwards in front of the field. Down
No.
into Sky. Everyone's wrecking.
Tubop could need
Tubop into Orange. You stay green. Tubop can merge.
Why did I make these cars so easy to turn?
So,
Actually, that was kind of worth it. That looks kind of cool.
This guy's trying to pass me. He's on the grass. He's gonna go for the inside. Here comes Gio. Gonna be
Alright, turn up Dom's.
Here comes Sky. Protective
Well, okay, no,
second,
Dom's
Gio
volume is
third.
already up.
Regards of our species, 4, Sky leading, protective.
3 wide on the back.
Mar, you should make a Ricky Bobby moment for
George
Oh,
now
God.
on the inside trying
season 2.
Ching.
Spotify's Ricky of the day. Very racist.
Here comes PC now
You're
trying
fired
to
for being the Ricky of the day.
Oh my god.
Everyone, you gotta say the N-word. As loud
I'm
as you
about to
can.
say the N-word.
Okay.
Gio. Gio, don't do that, Gio.
Gio, you're being such a
Gio's
baddie.
wall riding. I gotta give him a warning.
Gio,
Yeah,
you're being a
yeah.
baddie.
Yeah, he said screen froze.
All right. PC
Oh,
with the
my
lead on the back straightaway. Here comes
PC with the
Protective.
lead.
His
Here comes
teammate.
Protective. Mar, you have to do the truck commentator.
Oh, yeah. 4 wide for first. Sky with the move on the 1 car. He'll take second. They're beating and banging their way to the front.
God damn it, Mark.
Yeah,
Say
boy.
it like that. Go, Sky.
Sky got tight. And they're wrecking. They save it.
Tubop, we gotta help each other. We're the only
PC to
two
the inside.
I
different
don't like this
things.
situation.
They're gonna make
Tubop,
right
act like we're
That's
teammates, because we're the only two different.
All right, I'm gonna go back to my commentating
Yeah.
style.
We're
There's
diversity.
too many
Orange
Toyotas.
jumps out
We're the
front.
only ones that are not Toyotas.
PC behind him. Will he try to make a move on the front straightaway?
Me and Tubop are the only
Oh,
ones. We're
up
not
the
pushing
racetrack.
I pushed
All right,
it.
good boy, PC.
the
Easy.
Kraken.
PC extra points, say yo.
Gio now.
Yes, PC extra points
Sky
for being a
put
good
a-
boy.
Is Mark gonna give PC his special time?
Now here
What?
comes Gio on the inside with Sky.
Hold
I'm
on.
trying
I'll
to
share
switch
my
you.
screen for you, Naruto.
Whoa, that sounds gay.
Here
Wow.
comes, here comes
Just,
Geo
Because
now.
because he
no,
keeps
no.
trying to join and the server's locked.
No,
I-
my PCF. Oh no, no, this is not good. I'm dying.
I never got turned
Yeah,
into
Tubop,
a-
you're just high, right? Or wait, don't take that out of context. I meant you're on the high line.
Geo has
So
to read that.
my plug unplugged and it got laggy for a moment. I still am second somehow.
Tubop trying to catch a Geo.
Watch over.
To the inside. Sky, huge run down the
Pushing
back.
Sky.
Will he look for the lead? No, gonna push
No.
Tubop into turn 3.
Yeah, go
And
back.
they're wrecking. Sky into the wall.
Sky.
Geo into the wall. Garth into the wall. They fall back as Protective jumps up to second.
My race to win,
Thanks,
you.
thanks, dude.
Comes
Uh,
Protective and
Protective,
Protective's
you are
gonna
duty.
turn Tubop.
You're a
I let
duty.
that lap. I'm good.
You are
Don't-
Protective to what?
Don't.
If
Previous
I get turned coming to the line, I
Glitch
won't-
wants
I won't,
Glitch
break
wants to
till you
mow the
reach
infield
line.
grass. He wants to be a lawnmower and cut the infield grass.
I want to be a lawnmower for your
Yeah.
teams, man.
Consider himself like the Roy.
Orange gets a push from Tubop.
We're
Moves down.
voluntary
Sky stuck on the
dodging
outside.
for,
Almost 4 wide into 3.
I shall never. I was gonna let
PC
you have
washes up the
PC's
track.
like- Yeah,
Sky
my
moves to
boy
the
Sky.
inside. Tubop on the inside of PC.
My boy.
My baby boy Sky. I'm gonna give you a kiss on that.
My boy.
Whoa,
Take
whoa, baby boy Sky.
Right. We're cut. They
Sorry, what's your
ruined.
opinion on this race?
Tubop crossover move on Sky. Tubop will hit the brakes. He wants to work with him, I think.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
want my baby boy
The
to
only
win.
people that are not Toyotas.
We're
Hey, you're
basically light teammates. We're the
Dude, there's
odd ones
only
out,
one.
bro.
There's
The black
only
sheeps.
one Ford in, or no, there's 2 Fords in the round of 8. Everyone else is a Toyota.
And I'm the only
Toyota's
Dodge.
dominating these 5 wide.
My voice.
Yeah,
I'm the
Sky's
only
the only
Dodge.
Dodge. He doesn't have
Man,
any
oh, I
teammates
was
to
the-
work with him. Arnieotto
Oh, no.
isn't here.
Except for me, we're voluntary teammates.
Yeah. We're
PC
teammates
to the
now.
lead.
We're teammates now.
Orange shoved to PC.
Wait, so who owns Gaming Brothers Motorsports now that gaming's technically gone?
I'm
Me,
just gonna
Arnieotto.
delete it.
No,
Me,
don't.
Arnieotto.
Can I buy it out?
Yeah.
You wanna
you have good
you wanna
equipment.
buy it?
Yeah,
You have
I
good
want
equipment.
Arnieotto.
You have good equipment. Yeah.
Go
You
for
want
like-
old
You get Sky and Arnieotto for D3.
Hey,
Here comes
Sky's good.
Cody and
Sky's
Mike.
good. Arnieotto, I may kick off the team.
Bro, what?
That was a late one.
Arnieotto.
Okay,
has
let's be
no
honest.
wins.
He would have won at Talladega if I didn't do a redo because everyone corner cut.
Yeah, that's a you problem, not a me problem.
You problem. That's not our problem. It's your problem.
As long as Garth doesn't screw me.
Arnieotto is out of the round of 8 mark.
Peace.
I'll give him
Yeah,
one more chance.
he got. Well, it's just because he's in it. I think he's in. Yeah, he's in the playoffs for D1, not D2 or D3.
I thought he was
Some
in the
stupid-
playoffs.
Oh my goodness. Dude, these
He's
cheating
out of the
Toyotas.
playoffs in the lower division.
These
They're gonna
cheating
go right
Toyotas.
Sky with the lead.
Yeah, those cheating Yoders.
Them
Tubop
cheating
gets a shot from
Toyotas.
Geo.
My boy.
Tubop to the inside. Why'd you hit
Ow.
the brakes?
I want my baby boy to get the inside.
Okay,
Oh
well,
my-
how about next time you don't brake check the people behind you?
That's
My baby
they're Toyotas. I don't
They're
care.
Toyotas.
It's protective
No one
though.
cares about
I
Toyotas.
need to make them
Quickly, get on the inside, baby. My boy, my boy.
Yeah.
Oh my
Baby,
god.
get on the inside, baby.
Oh!
Oh!
Almost
No
hit the
baby
pit
boy.
wall.
No baby boy.
The baby girls.
No baby boy.
Gender reveal, guys. Gender reveal. My boy.
Tubop with the lead.
boy.
PC trying to get to the
Baby
inside.
boy.
Up the racetrack goes Tubop. PC trying to contend for the lead. He'll take it. Sky trying to shove Tubop down the back straightaway. They go 3 wide for
It
second.
didn't work. I'm
Oh,
so
man.
sorry. Baby boy.
And Tubop does a crossover.
Screw you. You're
Protect
I'm there,
him.
guys. I'm there.
You're so
I was
good.
clear on my screen. I was clear on my screen.
On
My
my
That was
screen,
clear.
Turn right for Dale.
What 6 you have to go in stage
Turn
1?
right for Dale.
Turn right for
You said turn
Dale.
right for Dale? All right, bet.
Or TikTok
Yeah,
turn right
baby.
to
True gamer.
He didn't wreck anyone though. That's the thing.
Yeah,
Mm.
bro. This is how you turn right for Dale.
Where's Mar?
Oh,
Dead.
Hold on, I'll be right back.
No.
No, my baby boy.
Oh no, my baby boy.
You're my baby boy,
And
Sky.
Kyle
I'm your
Pitts,
dad.
Okay.
Split
Remember my
second,
precious
Riley
child.
Football.
I preshy weshy.
And
Actually,
Yeah.
Orange Tic Tac deserved it. He is a disgrace to the Cubs.
Okay,
Yeah. He's bad.
Mr. Me is back.
All right, 5 to go in the stage.
Oh God,
I'm down,
why
bro.
is my
Right,
microphone
take
is
them.
being dumb?
Frank,
Right, check 'em.
Chicken.
Oh my
Check 'em.
God, we're single choo-choo
Right, check
train.
him.
I did that for you, my boy. My boy.
Yeah.
5 to go here at Michigan for stage 1.
Take it easy, Sky.
Yeah.
No, get to the inside. Don't let the stinky
Baby
Toyota.
boy.
Sky
Baby
has
boy,
the
you
lead
get
out
it.
of turn 4.
Hello.
The baby boy's gonna get it. The baby boy.
No, why
Baby
did I
boy.
push the Geo 1, 2, 3?
Comes two
Oh.
bugs.
My boy.
No,
my
baby
son,
boy. Ah.
my
Comes
children,
in on the inside.
my baby Ren.
Sky with the lead.
How far?
I can
cannot-
barely hear Dom.
I'm
Can I
treating
do-
Dale Jr. I'm treating Sky like Dale Sr. treated Dale Jr.
Yeah.
Garth?
Can I
Brr,
join?
brr.
Bozo.
Here comes two
Can I
bugs out.
merge, Mara? I'm totally
Hello, can
not
I
in
mer-
second.
can I
Yeah, can I
join,
merge?
or is it playoff
There
drivers
isn't
only?
there.
Can I
It's
merge?
playoff only.
Why'd you tell me that we would be able to do non-playoff?
Because I thought
drivers?
Tubop added the goddamn non-playoff driver cars.
I didn't
Baby
want to,
boy.
okay? Not
Yeah, I
every
know, I
It's
game.
think I
too much
noticed.
work. It's too much work.
Yeah,
Boy,
bro, I'm
too.
lazy.
So
Yeah.
am I.
Playing the past
Oh.
Sky.
The cars, all the cars
Siblings.
were already in though.
Crossover move.
We're gonna win
It
this.
makes no sense.
We gotta
No,
get a
no,
championship
no.
for
The cars
Sky.
in there were D or were only playoff drivers, so
We
there's no
gotta get.
non-playoffs in D3. So
We gotta get a
problem,
championship for gaming motorsports.
Oh my God, no, I am not letting
Sky
you win
with the
championship,
lead.
man.
Well, Sammy wrecked me in
2
both
to go
playoff
here at
races,
Michigan.
I'm getting
Indy-
this.
Indy-
No!
Zone contact between Tubop and Sky. PC will get to the inside.
Ah.
3 wide. Orange moves to the inside. He'll take second and now contends for first.
I don't know how
I'm
Mars
sorry,
was,
Sky.
to be honest. Like with his Vegas and Martinsville calls. I don't know how.
Shit, my bad. I got tight.
Geo to the inside.
Me and Orange were actually trying to work
The
together.
Toyotas are taking over, dude.
Sammy
The
just sends
Toyotas.
They're
The
not
Toyotas
American.
are
Tubop
taking
in
over.
second.
On my watch.
They're not American.
White flag for stage
Yeah.
2.
I'm doing-
Or stage
I'm doing
1.
it
Why
for
do I
Dale.
always say
No.
stage 2?
My baby girl.
Here comes Sky to the inside.
They're gonna win.
Where's it?
Sky wins a tryout race.
Go.
Side by side.
Sky. No, Sky.
Into turn number 1. Sky with the lead. Or not 1, 3. God damn it. And out of turn number 4. Who's gonna get it?
Sky. No, screw you.
PC with a
my
run
girl,
on
my
the
girl.
outside, but it's gonna be Sky winning stage 1.
I got fifth.
The baby boy. The baby boy.
TP
The
for
baby
Movie.
boy.
I got fifth. I'm happy.
The baby
Sky
boy.
Sky wins the tryout race.
And then Geo gets 1 point.
I don't know.
Why did
It'll.
My son.
Hold on,
My son
glitch. Hold on, glitch.
Wait,
I know
Mark,
the
don't we have
perfect
camping
place.
road today? Don't we have camping
I wanna
road?
No,
cut the grass.
probably not.
Do we have camping road today, Mark?
Glitch, I have the perfect spot for you.
I think we do have
I'm gonna
camping
be
road
locked.
today. Let me
No,
check.
you know why we don't.
Oh yeah, we do. It's at 8 o'clock.
Jesus Christ.
Fine.
Nick
Yeah,
tryout at
It'll
7,
probably
Sky.
be. No,
Alright, there
I
you go, glitch.
have to
For
go
next
eat.
race, can y'all add playoff drivers, please?
Dang it, I
Yeah,
can't say
I'll
baby
give
girl.
Tubop
I wanna
the
cut
coach
the
for the
grass.
non-playoff cars.
Dude, I'm gonna go mow the grass right quick. Can I mow the grass?
No, Sky,
I
line
don't wanna
up.
do that.
Line up, Sky. Sky,
I'm
line
gonna-
up, or your stage 1 doesn't count.
I'm like Mason, my least favorite child.
Oh,
I'm
no.
joking. I worked so
Oh.
hard for that 1 point.
Asks for
I wanna
Unlike
cut the grass.
Mason, who's a brat.
Hey, Tubop, doesn't Mason ask for V-Bucks every single week?
Yo,
and it's
I hate
really
to break the
weird?
news to you, but I think you got.
Oh no, she is getting emotional. He needed that 1 point.
Tubop, doesn't
I'm
Hey,
locked
Tubop,
Alright,
into
doesn't
here.
time
Mason
for,
ask for
time
V-Bucks?
for scheme of the day.
Easy win.
Sky.
Yeah, it's easy win. Easy win.
Yeah, the
No.
scheme of the
Easy
day
win for
goes to
Tubop.
Tubop.
Who bought?
Easy.
Oh, yeah.
Let me out of here.
I wonder if you went on Rostock and ask them to
I'm
add
gonna
this into
submit
the
this
game.
tomorrow.
I wonder if you
Black
made a
is
2
better.
1 car with the hub colors, and
I'm gonna make that for roast dog tomorrow.
you should. And then they're
I-
just
I'm
like,
gonna-
you know. Then they're just
I'm
like,
not
yes,
gonna
this is the
waste my time.
best scheme ever.
Easy. It's actually
Alright.
original.
Oh my gosh,
I
Glitch is in
don't
the
think Gio's
stands.
ready yet.
Glitch is in the
Alright, Gio's
stands.
ready.
Run him
How did my
over.
water get colder?
Why
Alright,
did it?
cheat. Nice.
No,
Alright.
he said
Come on,
cheat.
hurry up. I don't want my
He
lava
can't
said
to
go.
time
He
out.
said
He said timeout. Alright, here we go.
break.
Yeah,
Sky
yeah,
break.
Sky illegal.
Sky
Sky
break.
illegal.
Sky let off.
There you go.
Sky
A
let
break.
off. No, you
Gotta
didn't.
break more, Sky.
Yeah,
Sky
yeah.
let off.
Second place was just slow.
Yeah,
You can still
see?
catch up.
Yeah, second place was just
Michigan.
slow.
Only
Yeah,
playoff
everybody
drivers
but
can
Sky
stop
and
this
me are
lazy.
just slow, bro. Mario,
And
you're
I
just
can grab
angry.
it now.
No, you're
You're
angry.
No, I'm not. It's my baby girl.
No,
The Sky's a
no,
boy.
I'm not
Baby
totally
boy.
angry
Not
at you doing
anymore.
that.
Snip, snip.
Bob, I'm not
What?
totally angry because
What?
Sammy got
What?
out of this race because
The inside
I don't
Wait,
know.
okay, wait, hold on. Let me fix the laps.
the
Yo,
only
I
reason why I
didn't-
wanted to be
You're
to be
being
honest,
mean.
the only reason why I wanted to be in the Michigan race was just to be annoying and for Sammy.
The
Haha,
Sammy's
you're a
asleep.
bugger. Yeah,
I
bro.
know.
Forever.
He also-
Sammy's
he also-
forever.
He also had a bad thing go on with his family.
Hey,
and I-
Orange. Stop forcing me.
Yeah, bro. Stop being such a meanie.
Tuvok
me
goes
Stop
up the
being such a
racetrack in turn number
bully.
3.
Let me-
Sky to the
bully
inside.
me. They
Stop
bully
being such
me.
a bully, baby.
They
Stop
bully
being such a
me.
bully. You say I'm such
They
a
bully
bully.
me.
bro. Such a bully.
Tuvok throws the block. You're
Hey,
on lap
bully.
23.
Dale Senior, guys. I'm Dale Senior. I'm winning grass.
PC
You're
going to
bully.
second.
You're such a bully.
My
Break
boy.
See the my boy.
How many
Oh,
times are
boy.
you gonna brake check PC, Tuvok?
Hey, Tubop,
so Sky can get-
is Mason an annoying, your annoying child?
Oh,
because he asked
5
me to
wide into
Tubop?
turn
Yeah,
3.
Mason's the annoying one because like he's always trying to get girls. It's annoying. I don't want to pay for. I want to use my credit card to pay for his V-Bucks, bro.
He gotta get the V-Bucks for his girl.
Nah,
Guys,
his
Tubop,
fall
Tubop.
coins.
You
or
should
whatever
all
you call
you
guys
should
is.
use these V-Bucks to buy the
Yeah.
transport services.
Oh, Garth
you
almost
gotta buy that.
turns
Oh,
Tuvok.
he's gotta buy tips to get a
Stop
girlfriend.
it, or else I will get my
Yes,
child
there-
on you.
Now they're all on that yellow line.
Hey,
Tuvok
stop
gets to
it.
the inside. Garth forced down low.
Me.
And by the way, this is Garth's home track, so it'll be special if Garth won here.
He's not gonna win. I'm
We
gonna
can't
wreck
let him
him.
win, Sky. We can't let him win.
I'm gonna wreck him. He's a Toyota.
Let me cut the
And
grass.
Yoders.
Round of
Oh.
eight. Round of
Don't
four.
hit me.
Why do you wanna mow why do you wanna mow the infield grass so badly,
I get
Glitch?
$15 an hour.
Wow, that's
Dang,
I
insane.
get paid $15 an hour.
Good deal.
That's a little too much.
A
No.
little too much for
Hey, man, the average wage is $5 a year.
No, the average wage for
The average
mine-
wage for being in
Yeah.
Spotify Cup Series is
$0
0 Robux per
Oh
season.
no. Oh no.
Mar doesn't
Stuart
work.
freezing.
To the corner.
Stuart freezing up and
Mar
over
doesn't really pay out as
Green
much as he could.
I can get a break check.
Orange
you,
with the
and then break
lead.
check you again.
Here comes
Yeah.
Gio to the inside.
Oh. Oh no. I tried to block
4
again.
wide into
Hi,
turn
baby.
1. Into the wall goes Garth. Tuvok gets into it.
My
Oh,
baby.
please.
And
Yes,
Go.
yes, yes.
Look, oh, my son. My baby boy.
Orange trying to get to the inside. The last time he won was Las
My baby
Vegas at the
boy.
start of the season.
My baby
And
boy.
George
What was
TikTok
that, Amar?
round of four. Oh, that's also
Hi,
no.
What was
baby
that?
boy. I'm
Hey
kidding.
there,
baby
my
Out
boy.
of turn 4.
Ugh,
Baby boy.
Oh,
get away from
PC
my
almost
son.
gets turned.
Orange TikTok gets a fat
No,
foot.
dude,
Did I announce, Mar?
Baby boy.
Get away from my
Baby boy.
son, PC.
Hey, Mar, can I announce?
Get away from me.
Penis.
Get away
Yeah,
from
Can
me.
I
I'm gonna
announce,
touch my children.
please?
Don't
Can I
touch him.
Children
Don't
because
touch him.
Hey, Mark,
Yes.
PC in the voice chat.
Oh, no.
No.
Mar, come
well,
on.
you had sex with Justin Bieber. Now you
And
have.
someone tell us to get away from my child.
I mean, you can if you want, but it's so hard to hear over the void of voices that goes on behind the scenes.
Baby boy.
Okay.
Baby boy.
And
My
PC
baby
on-
boy.
PC in the
I
lead.
never
with
mean to
Orange
abuse you
TikTok
like I
with
did to
seven-
Mason.
We're gonna go to
Detective
YTR
and Geo make a little bit of
George.
contact on the inside there. As
He's
2
I
Bob
can
I
leave
goes
it
to
against
draft
you.
Garth and protective.
Grr!
Sky
it's the
is
Avery
loud. Oh my god.
Grr!
Team,
That's
contact.
what you
Oh,
get,
Garth
mean
PC
green
get into
sky. I mean PC.
Sky, you're a very naughty
You're
boy.
even-
Protective with the lead into turn number 3.
Get away from
Orange
me.
tries to make a pass to the outside. 2 Bob goes to the inside and he'll make the pass. There's contact. Into the outside wall goes
I
Orange.
got you, my
My
boy.
boy, my boy, my
My boy,
son.
my baby.
Wait, let me in. Let me in. No.
Oh, there's contact between Sky and 2 Bob. Going
And
into
Orange
turn
almost
number
goes
one.
around off of 2 Bob. Orange
Oh,
hit the
and
brakes,
Orange
hit the
takes
brakes, hit the
back.
brakes, hit the brakes.
Don't hit the brakes. Turn up in the PC.
As
Try
Garth
to use-
moves Orange out of the way, as Orange might utilize that draft.
Geo throws the block, hits Garth.
Doing that. Stop doing that. Stop it, cat.
Into
This is
turn
my
number
opinion.
3.
Orange
Here comes
does not
PC.
Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away
PC
from
hugged the
me.
bottom and end up taking the lead.
PC and
Get
Sky
away.
for each other on the front stretch. As Geo takes the inside.
Oh!
There are a lot of corner cuts. I feel like I saw. Okay, PC. What was that?
PC PP.
I farted.
PC did bad. PC just came up into the field. He could have braked.
Hey, don't send me next time. You hit my child. Don't hit me next time, boy.
Oh, 2 Bob makes contact with PC.
It's for his child.
It's
He
my
can't. Oh no! I
I
blocked
ain't
easy. Easy
Contact
block.
here. Come to the corner.
No,
First
he
one
For my
protected
kid,
someone.
Mar.
Sky's in the
protecting
lead
someone.
with.
You're
I
I
was
so
trying
can't
to
tell
protect
who
my
that is in
child, Mar.
second.
Do
Geo.
you really have a
Baby
problem
boo.
with children?
Yes.
Baby
As
boo.
Sky and 2 Bob are side by side. Orange puts it in the middle, 3 wide. Geo gives 2 Bob to push. 2 Bob clears the 2 and takes the lead. Geo 3 wide with Sky in the
Little
middle.
Girl.
Oh, into the wall. Geo and
Yeah, I feel like
Orange.
pulling away.
2 Bob pulls away just a tad bit. And that'll let him lead lap 31.
Need to go.
My
Where's
kid,
Protective?
my son, Sky, Sky.
What
Where's
did happen?
Protective?
Oh, he's way back.
He's way back.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what those stinking Toyotas get.
I don't know.
Those
Orange
cheating
and-
Toyotas. Them cheating
Mar,
Toyotas.
what's your opinion on this race so far?
Oh, Sky almost gets
Toyoters.
turned. Sky cut down on PC there.
Bad block.
PC, if
I
I
knew it.
wasn't leading, I would brake check you all the way
Them
to
cheating Toyotas.
OG double hockey sticks.
Them darn
This
cheap
is a Christian family.
Them darn
Here we
cheating
go. And-
Toyotas.
Geo jumped out of his car.
No caution.
After the line, after the line.
No caution.
No,
Don't
no,
do
no
this.
caution.
No caution.
No
If he
caution.
sees it,
No
I'm
caution.
my child.
No caution. Thank
You
you.
stay green,
I'm a
Flag.
baby. I'm a baby. I'm just a
Oh, wait, I
baby.
accidentally hit yellow flag. My bad.
idiot.
I'm a baby. I'm a baby.
Go, go,
I'm
go, go.
coming.
My
go.
little
Son.
kid. Come on,
Dad.
Sky. Let's go.
I'm
Father and
coming.
son. 1, 2.
No.
Dale Jr.
Oh,
Dale
not the
Jr.
bell.
I don't
Yeah.
die. Actually, I do.
Papa.
No, no.
No.
Oh!
You said it
Well-
at the
You
wrong
killed your
time.
dad. How do you
said
feel
it
about
at the
that?
wrong time. You said that. You said that at the wrong
Merging.
time.
I'm merging.
Guy, how do you feel?
I feel.
Sky, you farted.
It's
I
over.
feel really bad. No. Never.
Grounded.
Sky,
Go to your
farted.
corner.
No.
Yeah, go to your corner, Sky.
I'm in my
Anyways,
trap. I
into
can't
turn
get to
number
my door.
3.
Sky, you're
Orange
fine.
with the
Go to your
lead.
Xbox.
I have to go to my-
Spirit Wolf Motorsports.
No,
That sounds-
me.
All inside the
Go to
top
your
4.
Xbox, Sky.
Werewolf
Gaming
Motorsports
brother.
on the
Oh!
What's up?
Almost went
Furry
around and he saved it.
Oh, Joe, I'm
What's
gonna
up,
force
here?
you.
Coming to
I
the
see
child.
you, Sky. I'm watching you in free cam. You better make up for dumping your dad.
Okay, I'll make
Sky,
it.
you're outside wall.
Good chow.
Rising like
Good job.
legends.
And Orange to the lead out of turn 2. Geo goes to the outside, probably trying to do a crossover. Orange gets tied into Geo.
This is for you.
Clear.
Protective just entered turn 3.
Jack
Them
Jack
shitty motors, bro.
PC to the inside.
Jaffaff 1. Protective.
No.
Oh yeah, this is Garth. That's an ult.
Garth is ugly. Like my baby.
5
boy.
to go in stage
Wait,
2.
Jack Map is Garth?
Zoom out.
Yeah.
You might want to change the laps.
Oh yeah, I'll change it.
Gay. Stop hitting my child.
PC to the lead in turn 3. Got tight. And 2 Bop's into
Oh,
the
and they're
wall.
all
Orange is
right
into
now.
the wall. Everyone gets into the wall in 3.
PC in the lead
I'm
right
never
now.
gonna push
Sky
you
in
fucking
second.
yoders.
Garth in third as Geo tries to make a move on the inside. Garth shuts the door. PC, Sky,
Garth
and Garth
shuts
top
the
3
fuck
heading
up.
into corner 1.
No, Sky
Out
trying
of
to
my
make
way,
a
you
pop
cheating
here on
yoders.
Sky washed out the track. 4 wide for second.
Side.
Bar,
4
Five
wide
wide.
won't work.
No, it's
Alright,
taking
gonna
off.
work, boys.
Orange
PC.
Tic Tac trying to make that move. PC
Son.
shuts the door.
My son.
Orange Tic Tac
PC, do
washed
you know the atrocities you've committed against my baby boy? My
PC through the
precious
block
boy
on
boy?
Orange is now Orange will fall
Fine.
back.
Then-
Geo to the inside. And 2
Oh,
Bop
I
gets
forgot
turned.
what
No
that
merging, no merging.
Excuse
What
me,
do you
Orange
want,
Tic Tac,
Sky?
But
That
you're
literally was
screwed.
bumper lock. That was
Geo on the
honestly. I
inside.
shouldn't have
On the
bumper lock.
inside.
My boy, my baby boy
Orange
Sky, come on,
Geo
let's work
as
together.
Garth
If you
tries to make
leave-
a
Dale
move.
Senior, Dale Junior, except no one dies.
Like
1, 2, 3, 4.
Like you have
pack
to,
up
okay,
ahead.
finish the stage, finish the stage real quick and see if you can
By
get points.
1 now.
If
Two
you
Bop
join,
hits
Can I
if you
grab
join
one?
back, if you
Front
join
flag.
back before the end of stage 3, which will probably take
3 years.
around like, oh wait, I just realized.
Out of my way.
Just come back before 15 to go.
I'm a caring mother.
I'm gonna have to be on mobile. And I
How long
hate
is
it.
the race?
Who's
65 laps?
Who's gonna win stage
I'm not
2?
doing mobile.
Up on the inside.
Hey,
Orange
no,
Tic Tac.
Garth
Oh,
the girl.
cover the
Garth more like
front.
We're
Garth
coming to the white flag for stage 2. 2 Bop hits the brakes. Sky gives 2 Bop the shove.
Let's go, father and son.
And here we come into the tri-oval. Sky to the inside of 2 Bop. Sky will hit the brakes. He's on the inside. Gets into orange and the white flag flies. Geo and PC make contact into turn 1.
Geo gets turned. Orange Tic Tac is getting
Orange
forced by
break.
Sky at the moment.
Orange
I
break.
got 4.
Orange.
Bro, I got 4.
I know, but you
Bruh,
still.
bruh. You might want to break warning.
Okay, well, he's in the middle, so, okay, well, never mind, whatever.
Bruh.
The apron.
And
break.
Orange Tic Tac wins stage 2.
Here they are into turn 1. Sky
Geo,
shoved to
taking the high
orange.
side.
Um,
Sky getting the draft off of Orange Tic
Out of
Tac.
4,
Will
they're
he
gonna
make
wreck.
the move? Out of 4, Orange
my
Tic
baby
Tac is
girl.
going to win stage 2. Sky, 2 Bop gets second. Sky gets third. Or Geo gets third.
Apparently,
Sky gets fourth.
PC got 3rd, although he was in, like, 5th.
A kid.
No, I saw Sky. He was close, but he never got there.
That way, that's
Close.
all.
You were fourth. Sky.
Don't
Mar.
ask why I'm being so quiet. Like, just please.
What?
why are you being so quiet?
Can I sub for Sky?
I'm just
No.
focusing.
Sky's got
No.
the best
No,
finish.
Let me
Subs.
cut grass.
Most points so far.
What, did
Sky's
Sky
got-
leave?
Well, he fell for Sky.
Geo
That
is
is
shit.
now my child.
Stop the car! Uh-oh.
Stop the car!
Stop the car!
Stop the car.
Imagine they just racing with the pack just to
Go
look
Eddie.
Sky car.
Damn, you guys being get beat by a dead car, bro.
I
You
got
guys-
it. I don't got it.
Yeah!
I can get it. No.
No!
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Yeah.
Mar.
D43 got
There
killed.
we go.
That's what happened.
Mar got it. Mar saving the
Detective
day.
was flying.
Protective is a legend.
The moment where Protective went flying.
The
Let me cut grass, let me
moments
cut
before
grass.
disaster, part 1.
Let me cut grass.
Everyone's hitting each other like bumper cars right now because they're bored. Okay.
Glitch, do
Here
you like
for
your
the-
valuable seating position?
Mid-game interview.
No,
Why?
got-
I'm looking at the wall right now.
Why?
Mid-game interview.
Let me cut
How
grass.
does the wall smell?
Like,
Interview
screw
is
you guys.
sponsored by
I'm out
Fart.
of
How does the
here.
wall smell?
Smells like
Fart.
Mike was poop.
Fart? Okay. No, what the fuck? God said
Protective,
God
I
said you
farted.
can't live to two bop in the middle of a race.
Hey,
Boing.
He landed it! He landed it!
Oh my god.
Bro.
He landed it!
Bro, you landed it. Take a screenshot of that.
I
Take a
did.
screenshot. Can I take a screenshot?
Take a picture of that and then put it on the next trophy we win. Whoever wins
Yes.
it. That's the next trophy. That's the trophy.
Oh, two bop, your
Keeping
ass
me
smells
from
weird. You gotta wash your ass.
Uh-oh.
It doesn't work.
He's upside down.
I don't want to remove my car, so fling.
Ah!
There we go.
Yeah.
Oh man.
I got in the end.
F1.
He did it!
Let me cut grass.
I did.
Yeah,
it.
you did
I'm
it.
a hero.
He saved it.
He saved it, as he did in 2012 when he went on to win.
Is PC's profile picture the win that
Look at that.
Byron got at Atlanta?
Yeah.
So I was there in real life.
I forgot he won at Atlanta.
Yeah, I'm just way too good.
And Larson, your profile picture is Homer Simpson as
But I'm a
monkey.
real Byron fan.
TP.
And green flag. Oh, shit.
I am a
Dark
Byron.
didn't go.
Bruh, no one
PC
told
didn't
me.
go.
Merg, I'm in the lead, so you know what that
Well,
means.
Bruh, no one told me we were going.
If you
It's like
can't
you
catch
have
up,
no
then
more-
merge. But I think you could. I think you can.
you no longer have a child.
Forward in this field because my baby boy
Yo!
had the feast under.
No, well, no, your baby boy is a Dodge, dumbass.
So
Oh yeah, I also killed a baby boy.
Where did Sky go? Where did-
He
I
has,
don't
he has to eat.
you suck,
Guy to
Punk.
eat.
Thanks.
Imagine eating.
Anyways, we move on to lap
Imagine
42. Gio has the lead.
Threw away his race.
Oh my god.
So many times you gotta go eat, man.
Bob, I can work with you.
Bob, your child is
You'll
gonna
never
be
get
a
that take back.
I can be your Baba Grill. Guys, your Baba Boy.
That's
Yeah,
Protective, not being protective of his
Orange with the lead into turn number 3.
You
Protective,
cannot
not
be
being-
Gio and Tuba battling it out for
Hey,
second.
hey guys. Protective, not being protective of his positions right now. He's in last place.
Damn, bro, protective so
He's
bad
definitely
he's gonna
winning
end
this
up in
race.
7th when there's 6 cars.
No,
Tuba
Sky.
trying to get to the
no!
inside of Orange.
There's no more cut grass anymore because
God.
Sky left.
Get inside
Aw.
of me.
Grass is very tall now.
I gotta get that good run, bro.
Tuba gets a push from Gio down the back straight away. Tuba moves to the inside. Orange tried to throw the block. Go up. No apron passes. You can't pass that far below.
Pass on the apron.
PC
That was
washes up the
Gio's
racetrack. Orange goes up the racetrack. Gio moves to the inside and tucks in behind Tuba.
fault. Uh-oh. They're gonna hit
Yo.
Bob
the
shuts the door on Gio.
Orange is in pit road.
Orange.
Quick
Orange.
stop.
Hey, hey,
Ring
we're not
a
even current
ding.
pit. We're not
If you're
even
paying
current
on
pit
this
road.
race as I'm
You didn't make
getting-
a-
Yeah,
Cutting
yeah.
pit road
Orange,
is illegal.
orange. That you're actually parked because you cut pit road. Next time,
He
find
needed
a way
that
to
new
get back
tires.
on the track.
No, Mark, he's set on purpose.
Yeah, next time, find a way to get back on the track.
Actually, the race is pretty good because Sky's
See, look,
not
I
in
know
here.
there's a. Oh, Gio got turned,
See, that's why those Toyotas are
and
doo-doo.
Protective gets involved.
Let me cut the grass. Whoa.
No,
Protect
no,
the
that's my
game.
job, okay? I'm the self-proclaimed lawnmower of this group.
I want to cut the grass.
Screw you,
What?
make a
Oh.
lawnmower scheme.
I guess Protective lost connection.
Protective what didn't protect his Wi-Fi.
Oh yeah, I gotta.
Okay. Bro, protected and protect his Wi-Fi.
What you gotta say? Well, I mean, here's the go.
Your friend Cool Dog is trying the experience.
Yeah,
Protective
let's
got
go.
here.
5-driver racing, baby.
Oh yeah.
Could have been
Oh
like,
yeah,
no,
Mr. Krabs.
No, yet the only Ford here. I'm
Gotta win,
offended.
Marta.
Protective, join back. Okay, there we go.
Cool Dog, Undog, Poopy Dog.
PC, hit the
Wee.
brakes. There you
Okay,
go.
Mom.
I'm not a woman, bitch.
Well, I identify
just-
you as one, alright, Mark? Go make me a fucking sandwich. Go make me a sandwich, Mark. Go make me a sandwich and clean my table.
Orange, win this race so you can record a video of you shaving your head.
I'm gonna do.
And again, someone gets turned into the goddamn pits. And of course, it's Orange.
Again.
The Kyle Busch.
Why would you do that? Oh my god.
Dude, Orange
I can't
gets turned
spectate protective. Okay, there we go.
You can't wait to.
You should do TV spectate again.
Attacking this nuts up and get hit
You
by a
should do
baseball
TV
bat right now.
spectate again.
PC to the inside, and here comes Geo. Geo tries to split the middle.
Guys, I thought I have a good NordVPN.
Tubop, crossover move. Tubop tries to get to the inside of Geo, couldn't do it. And PC will have the lead off of 4.
Comes Gio now on the inside. And now
Hey,
they're
do you want to end up like Protective? He couldn't protect his information, and now he's getting doxxed. Which is why you should get NordVPN. NordVPN is not a very free online browser. It costs money to quit. But I know Protective can't get it because all his money was drained because he couldn't protect his information.
Oh, PC didn't like that joke. PC was just like, oh, I don't like that joke. I want to turn you.
Fuck you. I got denied.
no.
Protective is just hitting the wall. He's so mad right now.
He's like Kyle Busch of Nashville. Kyle Busch warning 1 while riding.
Wow. Wow, Protective's gonna get parked. Wow, wow. Imagine getting a warning. Oh,
Imagine.
Orange goes to
NASCAR
2nd.
drivers- Imagine NASCAR drivers in real life getting
Orange to
warnings.
the
I
inside
got a
of
warning.
Geo.
Hey, you get a warning
3
for wall riding.
wide.
Hey, Matt.
Here comes Tubop.
I'm a sheep, fucker.
What if NASCAR drivers got warnings for riding the wall
you
at
want-
I think PC's a sheep.
Kyle Larson got a warning for wall riding at Darlington
Ooga booga.
Contact.
in the final corner.
TikTok and
for the
Gio.
win,
Free
though.
warning. My
Move
bad,
you.
Gio.
Wait, we
Move,
don't have a
move,
sponsor
move.
for this race.
My bad, that's on me.
No, I got it.
Cool dog.
Come on.
Ooga booga, move.
Toddlers league.
Couldn't protect
The
his-
toddler, no,
protective,
no.
unprotected, protective with no protection.
Oh,
2016.
Don't end up like Protective. He has 5 kids because he didn't use protection.
Unprotected,
Protective's
protected.
getting destroyed.
The
right now.
NordVPN 150.
Make this race
Protect Protective's information 150.
make this
No. It's gotta be like I swear the Xfinity series has the weirdest names for races. You got the Wawa 250 and the meat. It's what's for dinner and the con 811 before you dig. So now we need the protect Protective's information with NordVPN 150.
overprotective of children, but protective 200.
Unprotective but protective 200.
Protective.
Oh, Gio almost gets turned around and into the wall hard. Back up the racetrack and into Garth.
Yes, you have to pay money. Use NordVPN.
No, it's too much.
Can someone like
Caution.
type in the chat?
Dom
There's a
is
car.
tired. I can hear it in his
Can
voice.
Okay,
someone,
TP for cutting grass
Protective
now.
What tired?
It's a
Yes,
caution,
you are. I
Gio.
can hear it.
Wait, what?
He looks
Wait, that's
ugly.
Gio.
Mickey Mouse basement, Geo.
No.
No.
Caution.
Huh?
Being bad. For
Alright,
the
well, the caution's been out for too long anyway, so caution.
No.
Bruh.
Caution free.
It's a caution.
Alright.
It's a
On
caution.
the PC rank.
No, it's Orange TikTok's fault.
Oh
First
my god,
made it-
Michigan road course.
There's up the Michigan road course for like the
Guys, we're gonna do
SCCA
the Michigan
uh,
road course.
stock Ford stock is the ones with like the go-kart thingies. SCCA Pro Ford spec. It's a
I'm the
spec
medic.
race
Send
Ford.
me now.
Yeah, I don't. think
I'm
Protective
doing the
was happy
Michigan
about that
road
last
course,
one.
man. I
Nah,
need
bro,
to
he
be quiet.
uses K2 Google VPN. How much protection he uses.
What are you doing,
Guys,
Mar?
guys,
I'm doing the Michigan road course. Oh my god, Orange, stop shitting yourself.
Let me cut grass.
Stop shitting yourself, Orange.
Hey, Tubop, do you have
Hey,
food?
you into the toilet.
Don't make me start popping off, yo.
Yeah, stop. Don't let
hey,
Tubop
Tubop.
shit on you, Orange.
I want to do that. I want to do
Hey,
that.
Line
Tubop.
up.
Tubop.
Mara,
cut
I have
grass.
a minor problem.
Hey,
What?
Tubop. Please.
Spectate me. My car had blown its tires.
Protective didn't use
What?
protection.
Oh my
100.
god.
Hold on.
This is
What do I
toddler.
do?
Can you not, Tubop? Can you maybe not?
Oh, I'm gonna do it.
Tubop, can you stop?
Man.
If Orange wins, he
I'm
says
done.
David said. So
I'm done. I promise.
yeah.
Never mind.
Protective's gonna protect his stomach. So now he's having
Yeah.
severe poopiness right now.
Because
Should I
wait,
try
Orange, if
fart
you
for
win, are you
one
gonna
whole
shave your
lap?
head?
You ready?
Can I fart for one whole lap?
Yeah, Orange.
Hey, Orange.
No,
Hey,
don't
Orange,
fart
are
for
you
one
gonna
whole
shave
lap,
your
man. You
head?
gotta fart for 2 whole laps.
He said,
Okay.
Alright,
Guys,
here we
if
go.
I
Did it,
win this,
Gio? It was me.
hold on.
Green
Orange.
flag.
Wow, what a
Orange.
nice restart, bro.
Bad
Orange.
restart for Garth.
Yeah,
Orange.
you didn't even ask. Oh, wait. you
PC
did
break,
ask.
Orange.
PC break,
What's he
PC break. Okay.
Hey, Mar, can you do the honors? Hey, Mar, Orange shit tag.
Going to for PC.
Hey, Mar,
What?
Orange shit tag.
I'm trying to pass.
That didn't really look like
Mar,
lag to
do your
me.
ASMR
Mar,
commentating.
hey, Mar.
I didn't really look like lag. Oh wait, I
Hey,
gotta
Mar,
fix
listen to me. Mar, can you hear me?
Yes. Bruh.
Hey,
Come on,
mute
Gio.
Orange. His name is Orange.
Oh,
That's we're gonna do ASMR.
we got money.
Shut up, man. I
Oh
don't
my
care if you had
god.
Taco Bell for dinner, lunch, or all of those.
Mom said
No,
fart for
no,
two
I
whole
had
laps, so
hot
I'm
pocket.
doing it.
God, shut up and let me commentate, okay?
I had a breakfast hot pocket for breakfast, a hot pocket for lunch, and I'll be dead by dinner.
Oh my god.
I know.
Orange with the lead coming out of turn 4. I wish he didn't
Zach
have the
makes
lead because he
smart
kept going like.
Orange, are you gonna shave your head if you win?
Two whole laps. If I win, I shave my head. I promise.
Alright, guys, get Orange to the
Oh,
lead.
bet.
Let's see what he looks like if he has can't.
Yeah, let's see what Orange looks like if he has cancer. I mean, what?
I mean, that funny disease that makes you go bald like Walter White.
A funny disease that makes you go bald.
It's quite funny. It made me laugh.
Wait, the one that my dad has?
Orange tries to block the 51. Garth falls back. Orange still with the lead coming out of turn 4.
You bro.
Here we come to the line. It's gonna be 10 to go here at Michigan.
I will shave my
Make
head.
it 69 laps for the funnies.
Shave my head.
each for each
Shave
of
my head.
Tubop behind Orange. What's gonna happen? Out of turn 2 and on the back straightaway.
You are gonna shave your head if you win, right? Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. So
Oh,
everybody
no,
got
no,
orange
no,
race.
Tubop, just race. Don't give it to him.
I want to give it to him. I want to see him bald.
No.
Why?
Tubop
Say I might already be bald.
Nah, psych it,
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I have a full head of hair.
Bozo. Oh shit.
Yeah, he's actually not going to shave his head. He's not gonna shave his head over row racing. He's not gonna shave his head over Lego
Screw you
racing.
guys.
Hello,
If he does,
break.
I don't like
And there
orange.
goes Tubop. He'll save it.
He doesn't shave his head.
No, now trying to win at Michigan.
Oh, there goes a 51. Into the outside wall. Protective gets into it.
I can also
Protected
shave my
Tiger
head.
Bold. Tiger Bold has no protection.
Tiger Bold.
PC and Orange Tic Tac starting to work together.
Wait, guys, this is why Protective has to deal with a racing.
Shove
family.
PC. Gets a push.
Protective has to deal with a racing family.
PC.
Protection.
No.
Yeah, bro. You
Protective
got a
is
little
full-time
Protective.
dad.
Big
Gio goes up the racetrack. Orange to the inside of PC.
Kyle Busch Protective.
It's just Protective, but instead he sucks.
Into turn 3. Not protective.
No,
what is protective?
it's Kyle.
Orange
It's no,
Tic
no.
Tac
It's
goes up the
it's
racetrack.
Protective,
Gio with the
but he's
lead.
a rich
PC
kid and he
behind
wins all the
him.
time. And is so cocky and he's super mad whenever he doesn't win.
I'm trying to pass
Any
Orange take-
team.
Kyle was literally crying.
Orange to
when he
the
did-
inside.
I'm
And
serious.
good
then
on
that
Linus
first
here.
protective,
As we
he
enter
hits his
lap
right.
59, PC starts to fall back, and PC is going to get turned. He will hit into protective. Protective, huge
Bro,
impact.
Dang, bro, he hit it
2
from
in a row,
behind.
baby.
Dang
2
it.
in a row.
PC
That
could
could
be
have now
saved
had a
it.
baby.
You have Birch. You can sub Birch. You can sub Birch.
In my defense, you existed.
Gio trying to walk himself to the round. Oh,
Orange Tic Tac will win this race.
Let's go to win it.
I'm betting
I will
on
shave
everybody
your head.
but Orange Tic Tac.
About to enter
lose.
5 to
Going on
go.
600 in.
Orange Tic Tac
Go.
won this race.
If you win this race, Orange Tic Tac,
No!
will harass
Hey Mar,
you
make the
so
lap
hard.
70 for funny lap.
Contact with Gio and Two Bob. Two Bob, contact with
Oh.
Orange Tic Tac.
Imagine.
Contact between
Gio-
Gio and Tubop. Gio on the inside of
Gio,
Tubop. Orange washes up the racetrack.
There's only
What happened to
PC and got a, and Protective got to catch. Where did Garth go?
They died.
He left. We know he's
No, he didn't.
No, he didn't. Wait.
He joined back.
Okay.
Yeah, he's Jafar.
Bro,
Oh, come on.
why?
It's not my fault.
Fine, then. Oh, let me just win this race back real quick. Man, he's doing donuts in the backstretch. Wow.
Yeah, he lost
Protective.
connection.
Oh, no, 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 no.
That doesn't matter. You can just merge.
Try and
It's
turn me.
5
I
to
dare you.
go.
Oh, it's 5 to go. Sorry, I didn't look at the laps. Sorry. Don't talk to me like I'm stupid.
No, no, no.
Nah, bro. Nah,
Hey, I
no
got this, still
way.
fifth,
Let
still
me
got
cut the
the
grass for
inside.
5 laps.
It's
I've
I've
something
been
got
got
stuck in here for ages
Wait.
now.
Where'd the glitch go?
He
Glitch.
died.
Let's commit die.
Glitch committed die.
I'm still here. I'm hiding.
Still
Oh.
got inside, baby.
Wait, what?
Glitch, enjoy your premium seating.
What the? Where did he go?
He went to your mother's
Glitch,
house.
enjoy your premium seating, okay?
Gio win at
Okay,
No.
bench.
Oh, he's
Oh.
hiding right there.
Guy farted in here.
No, he was hiding above this.
It smells like Mike
Sky
Joy's poop on the
farted.
wall.
Sky farted in there. What the?
Mike Joyce smells.
Oh,
my
I lagged.
gosh. Glitch.
Guys, I'm pissed, bro.
Hey, Glitch.
Yeah, mine, I'm back. Oh, never
Do
mind.
you want to partner teams?
Why
In,
not,
uh,
bozo?
Bass Pro Shop?
I don't
Alright,
win.
guys,
Dude,
I'm betting this is the final restart until I flip.
guys, if I don't win, if
Hey,
Alright, guys, he's
hey,
flipping.
Glitch.
He's flipping.
Who's gonna
He's
flip?
flipping on the last
Me.
lap.
I'm putting my middle finger up to his avatar right now.
Guys,
Glitch.
I'm gonna guess.
Hey, Glitch,
I'm
do you want
gonna
to
guess
partner?
orange flips on the last lap.
Oh, now you jinxed him.
Hey, Glitch, do you want to partner teams in Bass Pro
Gio
Shop?
win an adventures walk.
Is
Alright,
anyone
here we
else
go.
here?
What?
Wait, is protective still?
I have
And
two
green
drivers.
flag in the air. We're racing here at Michigan with 4 to go.
4 to go.
I really
gotta change
do
the
pee-pee
laps.
poo-poo.
PC goes up the racetrack. Orange to the inside. Here comes Tubop.
I need those.
no more going bald.
Contact between Gio and Tubop. They're 4 wide for second.
I only have one more.
And PC goes around.
Well, looks
Hey,
like
Mars,
I'm
is there
going
any
in
more
front of
spots?
Tubop and Gio.
Is there any more spots open to make a team in any
Just
division
hold
next
I
track.
don't know. I'll tell you later.
Okay.
My shiny bald.
Alright,
3 to go here at Michigan. This is Garth's home track.
If he wins, I will hate myself.
Let's get Orange Tic
Oh,
Tac.
Garth went out the racetrack. Tubop got a huge push and Garth went out the racetrack. Tubop will take the
Why is
lead.
Garth's spoiler a
I
bright
hit-
green
I
when
hit
it's
my
not
monitor.
bright?
PC to the inside. Remember, if you win this, you're in the playoffs. Or not playoffs. You're in the championship race.
I always win the season. I always win the Swine of 8 opener. So what's
Here comes PC as we come to 2 to go.
Scarf now trying to battle it out here.
I feel like they're gonna wreck.
It's gonna be the white flag this time by.
PC's gonna wreck Tubop, and then Tubop is gonna wreck PC.
I
next
hope
race.
not.
I'm gonna fling.
Garth's gonna wreck PC, and then
PC
Orange
to
is
the
gonna wreck Garth.
outside.
Here's
Tubop
the
and
thing.
PC side by side. Garth
He's
hits
in a
Orange
bad
out of the
spot.
way.
PC's in a bad spot right now. No, he's
Stepping
not.
out to the front of the corner.
Oh,
Yes, he is.
contact, Gio and
PC is in
PC.
a terrible spot. Orange is in a decent
Bad
spot right now.
spot for PC to be in as they come to the white flag. Tubopt will have the lead. White flag in the air. Last lap.
I'm blocking
No
the
more
grass.
cautions.
Oh, PC gets turned around.
Turned around.
No.
Orange tic tac.
Who's gonna
Trying
win
to make
it?
a move
I know
with
I'm
2
not.
cars behind him.
Out of
Uh-oh.
2. Here comes Orange.
Gio gives Orange a
Throwing the
push.
block.
Orange tries to make a move. Tubop shuts the door. Going into turn 3. Will
Who's gonna
Orange
get
make a
it?
move?
Uh-oh.
Orange shoved it to Bob. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You're joking.
I got second.
Okay, where did everyone finish?
I'm gonna pop some wheels.
Oh, god damn it, again?
My kid.
I almost lost connection again. Guys,
No way.
guys.
You almost lost connection again.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, you
Mar.
just blanked out for a
Mar.
few seconds.
Mar.
Alright, guys, where did everyone finish? Where did everyone finish?
Tubop won.
No,
I got
second,
second.
fourth.
Gio
Alright,
got
hold on, let me
third,
make a notepad. Alright, so
fourth.
Tubop.
For obvious reasons.
Wait, okay, 1 Tubop, 2 Orange. Was it like a photo finish?
No.
No.
Who got fourth? Who got fourth? Who got fourth?
No.
Garth? Oh my god. Alright. I'll be right back. Alright. I'm recording. FOV.
tomorrow. She tried to run Xbox Live.
Man,
I'm
bro, you
literally-
gotta make me act up.
I'm literally the Mark Martin of road racing.
No more championships.
Orange TikTok is the Mark Martin of row racing, and I used to be that kind of guy.
Road racing.
But I literally used to win almost every race I did until I was like, who
Mark
cares
Martin
about
always
wins
makes
anymore?
We good. We
People
good.
too.
I got second.
But now I got pretty much sick and tired of
In my whole road racing career, I finished second.
Alright,
40.
Mark,
This is
Mark,
the
don't stop
43rd
recording. I
time.
need to do the final grand prize.
This is the 43rd time.
I know
that
I'm Mickey
finished
Mouse.
second.
I've won like
The ultimate burnout, Mar.
I've had at least 2 Mickey Mouses.
That was really funny.